Alrighty, we are here at some park in Tewksbury, Massachusetts, I believe, or is this Lowell? This is Tewksbury. So we are here at I can't remember the name of this. I can't remember the name of the park because maybe it's just like a regular park in Tewksbury. What you can see here is we have a plaque. We have a plaque stone. And these are all the names right here. We stopped here at a little bit of a playground and a park here in Tewksbury. So let's go ahead and do a little bit of exploration of this park here. You can see here, I believe this is the sprinkler set. Yes, this is the sprinkler set. See here. If you look way down there, you can see an LRTA bus. That's the Lowell LRTA transit bus right there. That's an LRTA bus. Better than MIVA. Please excuse my my voice because it's off topic here. So. Oh, here we go. This is called Shed Park. And I'm sorry, this is not in Tewksbury. This is in Lowell, Massachusetts. So we are here at Shed Park in Lowell, Massachusetts. Let's take a look at the playground. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is the playground here at Shed Park. And yes, my voice is a little bit off track, so. Wow. This is a very, very nice little park. Let's go up and take a look. So that way you can get a view from the park. And how's this for a view? It's very, very nice. If you look, you can see a little softball field in the distance. And we'll swing over here is we have a couple of tennis courts. And of course we have public bathrooms right there. Let's keep on walking. We'll take a look at the track. This is a little picnic area, you can see. Let's take a look at the tennis courts. Why not take a look at the tennis courts? We'll get a sneak peek through, but we're just gonna not walk around them. We'll just get a sneak peek at the tennis courts. See, look at this. Here we have a peek through the tennis courts. All right, let's see here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have 6 tennis courts. And also we have a basketball court too. So this right here is we have a basketball court, and we have a softball court. I wonder what's back here. I wonder what this is back here. I'm sorry. These are not bathrooms. I'm sorry. That's abandoned. Well, here's a look at the playground again. And I'm sorry, we have 2 softball fields here. So, if you ever want to walk around this park, they have a couple of softball fields. There's a playground, and they have a couple of tennis courts. But I'm assuming some of the tennis courts are abandoned, so. So any subscribers on YouTube, what do you think about this park? This is a little bitty park to come here, so let's take a look at the benches and the whole softball field, and then we'll cut the video. It's such a very, very nice day to come here to walk around Shed Park. This is the softball field right here. This right here is, we have a couple of bench courts. We have one, and there's another one, and there's a second one right there, so you can see the main road. And yes, this is abandoned. What do you know? I really like the old concrete wall. Look at it. Look at the wall facing towards the window. That's pretty cool. All right, well, I guess we're gonna need to end the video right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed a little bitty exploring and walk around of the Shed Park in Lowell, Massachusetts. So if you have any questions, please make sure to like and subscribe. And yes, my voice is a little bit off topic, so that's why, you know, I've been drinking a couple of waters today. So, well, I haven't been drinking any water lately, so that's why I'm gonna need to end the video right here. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and like I said, please make sure to like and subscribe to my YouTube, and stay tuned for more updates. All right, all I need to say, that's it, folks.